yes, I can.
No, you can't. You have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion.
Okay.
Of a crime. What is your suspicion of a crime? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's not. Okay?
Yes, it is.
You're on private property. I don't know who you are. Is that correct?
And I have told you who I...
You haven't told me who you are.
I don't need to give you my name.
Okay. But I don't know that you're actually at work with me. Now, do I?
I have the keys right here.
That's fantastic.
I'm wearing a janitorial shirt.
Anybody can wear a janitorial shirt. I can go buy one right now.
Okay.
Okay? Everything would have been fine if you hadn't got an attitude.
A janitor is just doing his job late at night when a female officer suddenly approaches and demands his ID, even though there's absolutely no sign of any crime. The conversation quickly turns tense as both sides insist, "I'm just doing my job." But who's really crossing the line here? Watch until the end to see how this confrontation unfolds and leave a comment below. Do you think the officer was simply doing her duty, or was this an act of unnecessary harassment?
Hi.
We're just parking. We just wanted to make sure.
Okay, this is a private driveway, and I'm here to work.
Okay.
So, that's all.
11:24 at night, so we're just checking.
Okay. Janitorial. Janitorial. Here to clean. I've gone through this multiple times now with you guys.
Okay.
That's all.
I've never seen you here.
Okay. Well, I'm here 3 times a week.
I'm doing my job as well.
Okay.
So, since I've stopped, I have to check the license.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Ma'am.
No, you definitely don't. You suspect me of a crime. Okay.
I don't know who you are.
Okay, that doesn't mean anything. Do you suspect me of a crime? On private property working, you don't have to check my ID.
Ma'am, here's the thing. Okay. Okay, we've already established that. Okay. Anybody can wear a shirt that says janitorial.
I have the keys to the fucking building.
Okay. There's no reason to have an attitude.
I am sick of you guys harassing me.
I've
I am
never
here
seen
for-
you here. What? Have you ever met me?
No, that
Okay.
doesn't mean anything. I'm here for work.
That's fantastic. But I still have to do my job.
Okay, and your
I've seen
job.
multiple
Okay, your
videos.
job is to come check and see if I'm here. Why I'm here.
Yeah.
I told you why I'm here.
That's great.
So now you can go about your way.
It would be fantastic if you would lose the attitude, ma'am.
I don't have an attitude. All I
You
did
have a
was
massive attitude.
okay.
The first thing
Is
you
it
said
because
when I saw you was, "I don't want to deal with this right now."
Because I don't. I'm sick of having to deal with this.
Well, ma'am, I don't know who you are.
Okay. Okay, I apologize for saying that.
So if you want to get an attitude, we can have a problem. But I don't want that. Okay?
Okay, it's all on camera.
You can have that on camera all you want. Okay? But talking to someone disrespectfully when they're trying to be nice and do their job is not okay.
I'm trying to do the same thing.
That's fantastic, but you decided you wanted to be disrespectful. You record all you want. I don't care.
You're not getting my ID
You get an
because
attitude.
there's no reason to get my ID.
If I want to get your ID because I'm checking who you are, then yes, I can.
No, you can't. You have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion
Okay.
of a crime. What is your suspicion of a crime? Yes.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
You're on private property. I don't know who you are. Is that correct?
And I have told you who I...
You haven't told me who you are.
I don't need to give you my name.
Okay. But I don't know that you're actually at work with me. Now, do I?
I have the keys right here.
That's fantastic.
I'm wearing a janitorial shirt.
Anybody can wear a janitorial shirt. I can go buy one right now.
Okay.
Okay? Everything would have been fine if you hadn't got an attitude. Okay? Everything would have been hunky-dory.
Okay.
Okay? So, next time, if you are working, fine. How about you pull into a spot?
Because this is a private freaking driveway.
matter.
It's
We're
not
here
a
all the
through
time.
street. There's literally a sign right there that says not a through street.
I understand that. I get calls all the time to come here because people have parked here in the middle of the night. It's 11:30 at night. I
Okay,
didn't
and
know
I'm
who you
here to
were.
work. I've got the keys. I've literally showed
That's
you.
fantastic.
Got the keys right here. I can go open the door to go in.
That's great.
To go do my job.
And I'm happy for you, okay? What I'm asking is when we stop to do a public service to make sure that you're not just some random person here getting ready to try to break into a fucking physician's office, that you're just as courteous as we try to be.
Okay, and I told you why
You
I'm
weren't.
here.
So
I told you why I'm
next
here.
time be courteous, and you won't get an ass chewing.
Okay, just so you know, I can speak to you however I want. There's freedom
so
of speech.
can I do. So can I.
But you have to be professional. It's your job. You're representing our town right now.
You're representing your business right now, aren't
Okay,
you?
sure.
Okay. So when I come up and I just start trying to talk to you because I don't know who you are, and I've never met you, and you've already confirmed you've never met me, correct?
No.
Okay.
Doesn't
So
mean
why
you can
would you
act
be
like a
rude?
tyrant.
I'm not acting like a tyrant. I'm trying to make
Demanding
sure-
my ID.
Because
I don't have
know
to give
who
you my
are.
ID. I don't have to give you my ID.
That's great. Okay. Now that I know that you work for the janitorial, that's fine. You can be here. Whatever. But there's no reason to be rude from the moment that you get out of your truck. There's no reason for it.
Okay.
So next time, be nice. I'll be nice too.
Okay, well, you sat there with your light on me for a couple minutes first.
It was not for a couple minutes.
Okay, for a minute. for a minute.
Because I was calling into my dispatch.
Okay.
Okay? So, again, drop the attitude when you're dealing with a public servant, man. All I'm trying to do is my job.
Well, then don't come up demanding for ID and shit.
Then don't act like an ass.
I can act however I want.
And so can I.
Freedom of speech.
You do have that freedom. You absolutely do. But you also do have the freedom to just not be a jerk.
Okay.
So next time, be nice. I'll be nice too.
Well, next time you see my vehicle here, you know I work here.
And I still have to do my rounds, man.
Okay?
I was coming here to do a damn building check.
That's fine.
So, just please try not to be rude to people.
You could do the same thing.
I wasn't rude until you were, man.
Okay.
So, have a nice night.
You too. Oh, what is your badge number?
706.
706, and
Yep.
your name?
Officer Cade. You can talk to
All
Chief
right.
Decker tomorrow if you want to.
Oh, I definitely will.
You absolutely can.
I am so sick of this. Ridiculous. You can leave now. Breaking into the physician's office. Whatever. Oh, look at that. He's in an unmarked vehicle. Completely unmarked. Not a single bit of marking. I thought they had to have marked vehicles at night to pull over. See, it says 002. Bye-bye.
A man is simply talking through his Ring doorbell camera when an officer suddenly demands he come out to talk. When he refuses, things get heated fast, and the officer even threatens to get a warrant for his arrest on the spot. Watch until the end to see who's really abusing their power, and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this officer was just doing his job, or was this a clear case of intimidation and abuse of authority?
Hello?
Sheriff's office.
Hi, yeah, hi, how can I help you?
Come talk to me.
We're not home.
You're not home?
No, haven't been all day.
I can hear the dogs barking in the back of the ring camera. See?
I think you hear the dogs barking in the front of the ring camera.
No, I can hear the ring camera. So.
No one's
Yeah.
home. What's going on?
Can you come out here and come talk to me so we can figure out what the deficiencies are in the neighborhood?
I'm not home to come talk to you right now.
I just heard the dogs barking through the ring camera.
I understand you hear the dogs barking.
Promise you I'm not stupid.
Okay,
No.
what's going on?
Okay, well, if you come out here and talk to me, then we can figure it out with this. But if not... So, come out. Hello? Hello? Hello?
I have a Fifth Amendment right. Are you familiar with curtilage laws?
Are you listen, that's not here.
Curtilage law? Oh, are you the same guy who told me that citizen's arrest wasn't a thing?
Actually not, but...
Oh, so if I see somebody committing a felony in the state of Florida, I cannot commit a citizen's arrest, read them their Miranda's rights, and call you as according to Florida state law?
Are you...
You're the one that likes to lie.
I've never met you before, I promise you. I don't even know you. This is my first time...
You're not 1667 or 1571?
No!
Okay. Well, your department has a tendency to like to lie to me. I don't like to talk to you.
Okay, well, I'm not lying to you. I've never even met you. My name is...
Okay, then...
79.
Okay. We're talking.
Okay, so would you like to come out and come talk to me? Because I'm not going to sit here and talk to you, okay, through a ring camera.
Not very interested in coming out and talking to you.
Okay, well, you know what? You have a warrant for your arrest. Thank you, sir. That proves a point.
Why do you have a warrant for my arrest? You haven't given me any reason to come talk to you.
Sir, I'm going to get a warrant for your arrest right now. I'm going down to Inverness.
Why?
And I'll have a warrant for your arrest.
You haven't given me any reason to come talk to you, and now you're telling me you're going to give me a warrant for my arrest, which means I'm going to have a lawyer.
Over me. You're more than welcome to come out and talk to me right now so things can be... You want to...
This is what you're getting. This is what you're getting, and we're...
Come out here to talk to me.
This is as far as I'm coming to
talk to you.
You come out here.
I'm not.
I do not. Department lies to me. Your department has repeatedly offered to arrest me after I've been the victim.
Both of these encounters reveal a disturbing pattern. Ordinary citizens, simply asserting their rights, are often met with hostility and intimidation from those meant to serve and protect. Whether it's a janitor being questioned for no reason, or a man threatened with arrest through a doorbell camera, one thing is clear. Knowledge of your rights is the only true defense against abuse of authority. What do you think? Were these officers justified, or did they go too far? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you believe in accountability and transparency, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life encounters that expose the truth.